The pancreas is 99% Acini cells. The Acini produce digestive enzymes which flow into the GI tract through a network of ducts. Session 26, question 3. The pancreas is both an exocrine gland and an endocrine gland because of the way it's structured. 99% of the pancreatic cells are exocrine cells called Acini. The Acini produce digestive enzymes which flow into the GI tract through a network of ducts. The endocrine tissue called pancreatic islets or islets of Langerhans are here, and they contain alpha cells, beta cells, delta cells, which are these purple ones, and F cells, which secrete pancreatic polypeptide. It's the beta cells that secrete insulin, and the alpha cells secrete glucagon. Alpha cells secrete glucagon, beta cells secrete insulin. Alpha cells are here on the outside and bigger. Insulin ones are in the middle and more numerous. This is the process for regulation of insulin and glucagon. Number 1, low blood glucose stimulates alpha cells to secrete glucose. This occurs if there's low blood glucose, which is hypoglycemia. Then number 2, glucagon acts on liver cells to convert glycogen into glucose, glycogenolysis. To convert glycogen into glucose, glycogenesis. The glucagon also acts on liver cells to form glucose from lactic acid and certain amino acids. This process is called gluconeogenesis. So the two things that glucagon does is acts on liver cells to convert glycogen into glucose, glycogenolysis, and form glucose from lactic acid and amino acids, gluconeogenesis. Number 3, glucose released by hepatocytes raises blood glucose to normal. If blood glucose continues to rise, hyperglycemia inhibits the release of glucagon. Hyperglycemia, high blood glucose, stimulates beta cells to secrete insulin. And they're the orange ones. Insulin acts on various body cells to accelerate facilitated diffusion of glucose into cells, speed conversion of glucose into glycogen, glycogenesis, increase uptake of amino acids and increase protein synthesis, increase uptake of amino acids and increase protein synthesis, speed synthesis of fatty acids, lipogenesis, slow glycogenolysis, which was the conversion of glycogen into glucose, and slow gluconeogenesis, which was forming glucose from lactic acid and certain amino acids. As a result, number 7, blood glucose falls. Number 7, blood glucose falls. Number 8, if blood glucose continues to fall, hypoglycemia inhibits the release of insulin.